Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will discuss the key terms of this chapter. Plus, I will give you one small exercise which you have to do by your own. So, you can go through in the description box and click on that link. There, you can find the PDF of that assignment. So, let's start. So, first one is environment. Environment includes everything which is exists around ourselves, or you can say which includes the living thing as well as non-living thing in human form or biological form or in a physical form. Next one we will discuss, that is abiotic or physical environment, which includes non-living elements of the environment like soil, oxygen, rocks, river. So it will come under the category of natural environment. And these elements of land, water, air, which exist at a given place, are the components of a physical environment. So next one is biological or biotic environment, which includes the living things of the environment and which also comes under the natural environment, which includes plants, animals, human being, which exist at a given place, are components of a biological environment. Next one is the main one, that is natural environment, which consists of elements provided by nature like land, water and forest. So class, keep this thing in mind that environment is of two types, natural environment and human environment. Under natural environment, it consists of two categories, that is abiotic environment and a biotic environment. And next one is human environment, which refers to the environment created by man using natural resources like roads, building, technology, institutions, schools, colleges, etc. So in this human environment, we have made so many things, we have built so many things by using the natural environment resources like land, water, forest. Okay, so next one is lithosphere. As we all know that there are main four domains of the earth: land, water, air and the life, which includes all the three spheres. So first one is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the uppermost layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil, which includes land, rocks, grassland, etc. After that, next one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, which includes the water and the water bodies on the earth's surface in the form of rivers, oceans, seas, etc. Next one is atmosphere. Atmosphere is an envelope of air that surround the earth, in which area we are living. Do we have such kind of atmosphere? Yes, we are having atmosphere our surround selves. Plus, in school also, when we are studying in the class, we are having atmosphere there. Yes, we are having atmosphere there. And composition of atmosphere we will discuss in the next video, which include the gases and the dust particles, etc. Okay, so next one is the last one. You can say sphere of the earth is biosphere, which is a narrow belt of the living things, which consists of life. And it consists of all the spheres like hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere. And I think I have shared one image and video of ecosystem as well, which shows you biosphere as well. Okay, so next one is ecological system or ecosystem, you can say. It is a composite form of physical, biological and human environments, as I have told you earlier, in which all elements are interdependent and complementary of each other. It means one cannot work without another thing, another element you can say. It this ecological system, there is I can give you example of water cycle, food chain. All these things are happening because of presence of ecological system. So move on to next one, and the last one is ecological balance. Ecological balance is a mutual coordination, common coordination of balance among the elements of physical as well as biological environment, that is natural environment, existing in ecological system or ecosystem, which can get disturbed by the slightest or tiniest change, and many affect in the environment also. So that balance has to be maintained in the environment. Okay, for today only this much, and please go through this exercise which I have shared with you, that is fill in the blanks. I have given options as well, so go through it and do it in your notebook. And those who will done this exercise, please let me know as well. Till then, take care of yourself.